The fourth industrial revolutions opened up a new era for manufacturing. Technology innovations have changed everything ranging from the production process to method and traditional management, marking the birth of a new generation of intelligent manufacturing. In every smart factory, AI system connects machines to machines and to the internet, so they could be managed remotely with very little human intervention. Via sensors attached to conveyors, disqualified products are detected and discarded. This process is also monitored and supervised by the factory situation room from distance. Data from the shop floor are captured, analyzed and transmitted to digital display devices, giving operation managers a clear idea of how their plant is operating via large screens tracking production scheduling, all production lines, and overall equipment efficiency. They're all delivered in real time, helping to identify what and where goes wrong in the production process, thereby making timely recovery. Moreover, the system could provide predictive maintenance, give warnings of random failure, ensure to extend machine life, minimize cost and unexpected downtime. The smart warehouse using the identification system such as barcode, QR code or RFID, enables product data entry, location management and traceability with just one scanning. Transportation is performed precisely by industrial robots, preventing losses and improving inventory control. The integration of MES and ERP softwares empower office departments to access data from the production floor directly. So daily manual tasks are reduced and digitizing, helping to save time and cost for paperwork. Visual dashboard systems allow leaders to supervise their business remotely. It also provides KPI measurement and analysis tools as well as forecast reports, helping executives to quickly respond to the market changes and make strategic decisions. All these technologies create a smart factory model which performs effectively from production to administration and management. Thanks to the ecosystem of comprehensive management solutions from planning to execution, smart factory is no longer a fiction but reality.